Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Circle the wah plus guns, the wah guns. Circle the wagons. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Art. Hi, folks, and welcome to our program. This man on my right is a police officer in Southern California. He's the father, a new father. His little boy is just about 4.5 months old. But to this point, he has won $13,394 in prizes. His name is Jeff Walker. We're happy to have you back. Good luck to you today.
Mind if I say hi to my wife? She showed up on a spur of the moment from San Diego today and told me she wasn't coming today.
Oh, and she's in our audience, is she?
Yes, she is.
How about that? You can say hi to her. What's her name?
Karen?
Karen. Hi, Karen.
Nice of you to come.
And surprise Jeff. Well, let's see how well Jeff does against this newcomer also. She showed up today to win some prizes. This is Alvina Fonteno. Or is it Fontenot?
Fontenot.
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 French.
French.
Where are you from, Alvina?
I'm from West Covina right now. I'm native California, born and raised in Los Angeles.
But from the west part of
That's
Covina.
Right.
I mean
right.
the French part. Yes.
West Bank.
The west part of Covina is the French part. That's what I was trying to say. Not a well man today. Let's take a look over here and we'll show you some of the prizes you're playing for in game number 1.
Gibson 6-cycle extra-large capacity automatic washer with bleach and fabric softener dispensers and an all-important water saver control. Plus a matching dryer featuring Gibson's Vacu-Dry system. Gently dries clothes without hot spots that may damage laundry. Furnished by Gibson. Back to you, Alex.
Thank you, Art. Washer dryer on the board at number 6. A holiday in Bermuda also, Alvina. You get to select first. Good luck.
Oh, I love that holiday in Bermuda. Let me look at number 19.
Diamond and opal pendant.
And I'd like to see a match for that under number 10.
No, food processor there. Jeff.
Well, I'd like a trip to Bermuda also. Let's try number 7.
Yes.
How about a match under 13?
Trying to spot Karen up there to see what her reaction to that.
There's a camera blocking her.
Oh, is that what it is? All right, there she is, both arms waving behind our cameraman. Let's open the 2 panels for Jeff. Select again.
Let's go to a new number, number 22.
Red take.
Safety precautions. Number 14 for a match.
Yeah. There it is. Insurance for later on. Open it up. Select again.
Let's try number 10, which we did. How about a match under number 19?
Diamond and opal pendant. Alvina.
Okay, I'd like to look for that diamond under number 3.
No. China service for 8.
And the match for that under number 25.
Green take. No match. Jeff.
Okay, how about number 23?
VCR.
Could use a new one with the camera. Number 12 for a match?
No. Washer and dryer. Alvina.
Okay, let's look for the washer and dryer under number 6.
Yep.
And the match for that under number 12.
You are correct. Prize for your column. And a chance to study the puzzle with a little bit more revealed. Pick again.
Okay, let's look up under number 1.
35mm camera outfit.
Match or a wild card under number 24.
Telephone and answering machine unit. No match. Jeff.
Let's try number 2.
Food processor.
We saw that under number 5?
Nope. No. That's a handcrafted area rug there. Alvina.
Okay, let's look up under number 10.
Food processor.
And the match for that under number 2.
You are correct. Jeff, as is so often the case on our program, was 1 square away. The players seem to remember the area, but they don't always get the exact numbered square. 2 doors opening for Alvina. Pick again.
Okay, let's look what's under number 3.
China service for 8.
And number 17.
Handcrafted area rug. Jeff.
Okay, let's go to number 5.
Handcrafted area rug.
And the match under number 17.
You are right. You want to use the tape?
No, I'm going to save it.
All right. Open it up, please. Pick again.
Let's go to number 21.
China service for 8.
And the match under number 3.
Good. So let's take a look and see what is hiding behind that China service, unless you want to use the tape, and I'm assuming you don't.
Let's look under number 3 and see what's there.
All right, number 3 and number 21. Select again.
Number 20, please.
35 millimeter camera outfit.
The match under number 1.
Right. Now you've got the tape. Board's opening up a lot. Don't want to waste it.
No, I'm going to solve it. No, let's take the washer and dryer.
All right. Give them the washer and dryer. Did you say you want to solve the puzzle when we open these 2 doors?
I
Well,
do.
let's see if you can do that. Open them up, please.
Is it shrinking violet?
Will you say that again?
Shrinking violet.
Is it shrinking violet? Yes, it is. All right, come on, Jeff. You get to explain it. You figured it out.
We have a shrink plus king for shrinking. V plus I. I actually took it out of shrinking, so I don't know where I got the rest of it. I just assumed it was violet, so shrinking violet. Maybe
Well,
you can
figure it
tell me
out.
what the rest of it is.
Yes,
A V plus I.
V plus I for vi.
Vi.
This is a hole.
Ho
Now
plus
back
L.
up. L, and
Plus-
that's a hit.
Hit. Shrinking violet.
Shrinking violet. See how easy it is? Hey, folks.
Simple.
Perfect example of something I've said many, many times before in this program. You don't have to know what each of the individual symbols represents. All you have to do is figure out what the puzzle represents. Alvina, sorry, 1 strike against you only, so a deciding game in the match between you and Jeff after the commercial break. Jeff,
see ya.
before we get to a commercial break, we've got to go to the winner's circle. Before we go to the winner's circle, we've got to hear about your prizes from Art.
Jeff, you've got great prizes, starting with a 35 millimeter camera outfit and a China service for 8 and a handcrafted area rug. You may add a touch of the Southwest to your home with a beautiful handcrafted cotton durry rug in special custom colors. Designed for this collection, furnished by Emser International. And Jeff, you're going to Bermuda. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Bermuda. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. You'll spend 6 nights at the Mermaid Beach Club on the South Shore, overlooking a glorious private beach with on-premises swimming pool, European-style dining, and nightly entertainment furnished by the Mermaid Beach Club. And of course, the handsome washer and dryer, a prize package worth $5,843.
Well, she looks pretty excited about it, doesn't she?
She thinks she's taking the trips without me or something.
Uh-huh. Well, she may want to drive home in that brand new car you're going to win. You are going to win it, aren't you?
I'm going to give it a shot.
After this, almost $20,000 won so far by this man. And now he's going to try to win a brand new car. 15 numbered squares, and you've got a full 55 seconds. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 3,
Nope.
4, 6,
No.
7, 9,
No.
7, 6,
Yes.
10, 12,
No.
10, 3,
Yes.
13, 15,
No.
2, 5,
No.
2, 15,
Yes.
8, 11,
No.
1, 11,
No.
14, 9,
Yep.
12, 4,
No.
12, 1,
Yes.
5, 13,
Yes.
4, 11.
Yes. What a wonderful day to pick for a surprise, right? Tell him what he's won, Art.
Jeff, you've just won this Mitsubishi Mirage 4-door sedan. Features a 1.5-liter electronically multi-port 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, and rack and pinion steering. Furnished by Mitsubishi, a prize worth over $10,000.
That $10,000 brings your total prize winnings, Jeff, to $29,254. You are going to take the trips together, aren't you? Yes. All right. Congratulations again. We'll be back with a new contestant on Concentration right after this, folks. All right. Congratulations again. We'll be back with a new contestant on Concentration right after this, folks. Well, Jeff has gone away a very happy winner on Concentration, and now we're delighted to welcome as his replacement this lady on my right. Her name is Eunice Dorman. Hello,
Hi,
Eunice.
Alex. Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from Long Beach. I own a printing business in Long Beach called The Print Master, yeah.
All righty.
And I've got 4 children and 8 grandchildren, and I love game shows.
Kids are all out of the house by now, I take it?
Thank God.
Okay, you love game shows, so you want to win something,
Absolutely.
obviously. Take a look over here. This is a great addition to any home, I feel.
Olhausen Provincial is constructed of oak solids and veneers. Carefully engineered sturdy frame. Rails feature a 2-piece T-nut construction for maximum playability. Genuine leather pockets. Furnished by Olhausen. Alex.
And where will we find the pool table on our game board? At number 25. All right, Eunice, you're joining us at exactly the right time because this is the second game of the day, and that means we've got the 5 bonus seconds. We have the cash pot in this one, and it's now up to $600. And we have a holiday in Chicago. The cash pot, I'm sorry, is up to $800.
Wow.
And a holiday in Chicago, home of the Chicago Bulls, NBA champs. 1 wild card only on the board. Eunice, you make the first selection, please.
I'd like to find a match for that pool table. My husband had a misspent youth. Let's try 13.
Green take.
How about a match under number 22?
Red take. No match. Alvina?
Okay, let me try for that pool table under number 5.
Diamond bracelet.
And a match for that under number 11.
No, there's Chicago. Eunice?
Let's take a look at number 1 and see if we can find that pool table.
Dining room set.
How about a match under number 14?
Cash pot. No match. Alvina?
Oh, the cash pot would be good. Let's look under number 22.
Red take.
And number 3.
No, that's the dining room set. Eunice?
We saw that red take. Was it under number 13?
No, that's the green take. Darn it.
Oh, okay. Let's see if we can match the green under number 10.
Crystal glassware. No match. Alvina?
Okay, let's look at what's under number 6.
Cash pot.
Oh, I forgot. Was that number 13?
Oh, no, Alvina. That's the green take. Bad luck on that one, and you had seen it. Eunice?
Did see it. Was it number 23?
Wild card.
How about number 6?
Number 6 for $800 in the
I
cash
forgot
pot.
the pool table.
Yeah, I was just about to say that you went for $800 in cash instead of a very expensive pool table, but it might work out for you.
Know.
Open the other one that has the cash pot. That's at 14, and now open all 3 doors to reveal something of the puzzle.
Whoa, a little early yet.
Go again.
Let's see what's under number 7.
Red take.
Red take. Oh, was that under number 22?
Red take is right, yes.
Little protection.
Open it up again, please.
No idea.
Go again.
Let's see what's under number 8.
Diamond bracelet.
Oh, we saw that. Was that under number 1?
No, that's
Oh,
a dining
dining
set. Alvina?
Let's look and see what's under number 3.
Dining
Number
set.
1.
That's right. That's a good match. Nice prize, too.
I can use
Take
that.
a look. Select.
Okay, let's look for a trip under number 9.
Luggage?
Okay, I can use that certainly under number 21.
No, green take. Eunice?
Let's see what's under number 15.
Pool table.
The pool table, 25.
Pool table. There it is. It did work out after all, didn't it? Do you want to use your take? She has a dining room set.
I'm going to save it just to protect what I've got.
All right. 2 doors opening for you, Eunice. again.
Let's take a look under number 4.
Crystal glassware.
I don't think we've seen that yet. How about number 19?
Chocolates, no match. Alvina? So
Let's go for the take under number 13.
Green.
And the match for that under number 21.
Green take is right. Now, Alvina, Eunice has a take, you've got a take, but she's got a pool table and $800 cash pot.
I'm going to save it.
All right.
Save it.
Open the 2 doors. See what they reveal. Pick again.
Okay, let's take a look at what's under number 2.
5 bonus seconds.
And a match or a wild card under number 24.
Treadmill, no match. Eunice?
Let's look under number 12 for a trip. Oh, number 2.
The bonus seconds are at number 2 and number 12, and that's good news for Eunice. How about this take, Eunice?
I don't know what it is, so I'm going to hold on to it
All
just
right.
for safekeeping.
Swing them open.
No idea.
Pick again.
Let's take a look under number 16.
Chicago.
We saw that. Was that under number 8?
No, that's the diamond bracelet. Alvina.
Let's take a look at what's under number 18.
Luggage.
Was that number 9?
Luggage. Would you like to use your take?
No, I'm going to save it.
All right. Show her a little bit more of the puzzle. Go again.
Okay, let's look at what's under number 5.
Diamond bracelet.
And the match for that under number 8.
Diamond bracelet. Now, Alvina, there isn't going to be too much remaining of this puzzle. You might want to consider more seriously your take. I wouldn't want you to solve the puzzle and miss out on a prize. But your choice.
The pool table. I picked the pool table.
Pool table going over to Alvina's side. Will these 2 pieces of the puzzle be enough to help her solve it? Pick again. Oh, there's the bell. So Eunice won't get a chance to use hers. Hands on your signaling buttons. We'll start revealing. Number 4, 10, 11, 16, 17, 19, 20, 24. No one wants to ring in? All right, get your hands on your signaling buttons again, and I'm going to assist you. That first symbol, as you can see from the writing behind, is Donahue. Donahue's first name is... Eunice?
Fill the bill.
Is it Fill the Bill? Yes, it is. Come on, Eunice, let's go to the board. You get to explain it. It's a simple puzzle.
My doctor was Donahue, but I couldn't figure out how that went. But it fill the bill. Pay the bill.
Fill the bill. Fill the bill. All right, Alvina. Bad news. Sorry, you had a good chance at it, though. You'll have to be content with a parting gift backstage. Thank you for being with us. So long, Alvina. Take care. All right, Eunice, you got the 5 bonus seconds and $800 in the cash pot.
Oh,
and you're going to the winner's circle to play for a brand new car when we come back. Boy, does Eunice look serious or what? You've got to be smiling. You did well.
Did very well.
Yes, you solved the puzzle. You won $800 in cash. You got 5 bonus seconds, and now you're going to play for a brand new car. You have no losses against you. You're going to be here for a while.
All right.
Okay, here are the 15 numbered squares for you. And base time, as you know, is 35 seconds, but the bonus seconds take that up to 40. So good luck, Eunice. Off you go.
Thank you. 1, 4.
No.
7, 10.
No.
13, 14.
No.
15. 11.
No.
4. 12.
No.
9. 14.
Yep.
6. 12.
Yep.
15. 8.
No.
3. 11.
No.
5. 13.
Yep.
10. 4.
No. 315 was a match that you just sailed right by. You sort of missed it there, but that's okay. You've got you've got the cash, and cash is always very nice.
Oh, great.
And we'll take a break right now, right after we hear about another prize from Art.
Some of today's participants may receive this 3-speed Sanyo air cleaner ionizer with adjustable loopers. Features a washable fabric filter, activated carbon filter, and negative ion generator for a more refreshing environment, furnished by Sanyo. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Marjorie is so cute. During the commercial break, she leaned over to Eunice and said, would I be safe in assuming that you'd like to come back on our next show to try to win some more prizes? And Eunice, who is pretty sharp, says, of course. You do want to win some more prizes.
Absolutely.
You're going to be here on our next program, and we will also. And we will look forward to having the pleasure of your company also. Pokey will return on our next program. See you all then. So long.
This is Art James speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.